Time now for our mental health moment of the week. Studies suggest 1 in 3 Americans report feeling lonely. The former U.S. Surgeon General even declared a national loneliness and social isolation epidemic throughout the country. Here with us to discuss is Sweetser spokesperson Justin Chenette. Always great to have you in studio, Justin.
Good to see you.
So tell us, how does loneliness impact our mental health?
Well, humans are naturally social beings,
Yes.
right? We crave connection, particularly human connection, and something greater than ourselves individually. And so prolonged feelings of social isolation and loneliness absolutely can exacerbate existing mental health conditions in addition to creating new ones. And this can happen by big life events or changes that
Sure.
can increase the risk. It could be divorce, it could be the loss of a partner or a family member, and any sort of big change in your life can exacerbate those feelings. We also see that social isolation and loneliness can absolutely impact your physical health just as much as your mental health. So we actually see things leading to obesity and heart disease and dementia and just general stress. So it does a number on both mind and body.
Absolutely. What are some ways that you can combat loneliness if you have those feelings?
Well, limit screen time is a great place to start because I think we all doom scroll and then you compare yourself in your life to other people,
Yes.
right? You see the
Yes.
flood of happy memories and happy photos from everyone else, but you're just seeing a glimmer into their life. So don't necessarily compare yourself to other people. So limiting screen time is one thing. Getting involved in your community, right? Volunteering is a great way to bring meaning into your life and sense of purpose. You also can meet a bunch of great people that have a shared interest. There might be a community activity, even going to something as simple as like a bean supper. You know, you could just connect with one another and just share memories and experiences, make new friends. I also think it's important to reach out to someone in your life that you may have not talked to in a while. You know, pick up that phone, call somebody, text that person, message somebody. That absolutely matters. And there's bound to be one person in your life that you're like, you know what, I haven't connected with that person in a while. I think it's absolutely time. You could start a hobby, you could get a pet. There's all kinds of things that you can do to bring meaning and connection into your life. But you know what? Professional help is also available if it's needed.
Yeah, and let's talk about that. For those struggling, maybe somebody's watching this right now and they're feeling that feeling of loneliness. What help is available? I know you guys at Sweetser are doing a lot of things to help people.
I think the peer support line's a great place to start. This has basically staffed by individuals that are so compassionate and kind and are there to listen. Sometimes we just need someone to be there for us on the other end of a phone call. And honestly, you don't have to give your name. It's anonymous. There's no payment involved. It's a free resource. And what we find is a lot of individuals call this support line on a regular basis. Seniors, folks in rural areas where they might not feel that sense of connection, they might feel loneliness. So if you need help just processing your feelings, the free peer support line is there. And of course, if you're feeling like just completely overwhelmed with what you're going through and your emotions, 988, text or call to be connected with a professional counselor. And if it's needed, a mobile crisis team is there to help you.
All right, very good. Justin Chenette from Sweetser, thanks for coming in and sharing those tips with us. And
Absolutely.
Thanks for all the work that you and Sweetser are doing as well.
Thank you,
we appreciate
Connor.
it. All right.